Hi! Kapatid, 8 signs that God is testing your faith. Eto, yung lahat tayo ay naranasan na. Number 1, heartbreak. Pangalawa, mas na, family issues. Number 3, mas lalo na to, financial issues. Number 4, hopelessness. Number 5, patience test. Number 6, failure to achieve your goals. Diba? Number 7, isolation. And number 8, ito yung pinaka napansin ko na talagang naranasan ko. Yung physical issues, yung magkaroon ka ng sakit. Lahat yan is natest talaga yan sa akin. But praise God, no? The more na ikaw ay lumalapit kay Lord, the more na mas lalong matatagumpayan to. Stay strong in your faith because God is preparing you for a great purpose. Ka-faith lang.